whenever I get into G tuning, I always think of the Tennessee Waltz. Played it on a gig once, I remember. Is the dobro in G?
Yes.
Chris?
Joe, oh, come on.
Again.
No, that's brilliant. Leave that. Keep it rolling.
Okay.
That's Alan Taylor's grand plan.
Is the
dobro.
Is that what it called? Is the dobro in G? It's in G.
Yes, it is.
Come on.
Why did you ask that question twice?
Dancing with my darling to the Tennessee Waltz when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced him to my darling, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee Waltz, and I knew just how much I